So when you look closely at leaves, particularly pandanus leaves, they sort of blow against one another and scratch each other and things. So there's all these little marks there. And burnt umber is a really nice way of representing them. But sometimes it's nice to go off the beaten track with colour a little bit. And so what I've done is I've mixed up neat dioxazine purple. And it's going to probably be a little bit strong, but it's a really nice way of working some colour back into the picture. And even though sometimes it's almost so dark it looks almost black, it's just another little nuance to a picture. So I'll just go through and show you now. I put some orange in there before, and the purple sort of sits nicely on top of that orange, but it also kind of creates that nice dead bit, and the orange starts to fade out, or it gets a little bit of orange around it as the leaf dies. I spent way too much time under these trees. So that was just a quick tip, but we've got a longer tutorial in the shop. Go and check it out.